A new Galaxy Watch Ultra is on the way, and the early signs point to one of the biggest upgrades the Ultra line has seen. Samsung has refreshed its own health app, and Qualcomm has detailed a new chip build for the next Galaxy Watch. Regulatory filings add to the picture too, even though Samsung has stayed quiet about the name. This guide separates what is confirmed from the leak, so you know what to trust. It covers the expected launch date, pricing, key features and upgrades, and how the device compares with the current Galaxy Watch Ultra. Has Samsung announced the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2? Samsung has not confirmed the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 yet. As of June 20th, 2026, the company has not sent out an unpacked invite or used the name Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 in any official statement. For things tied to the watch have surfaced so far. A Samsung Health app overhaul. On June 4th, 2026, Samsung's global newsroom announced a major update to the Samsung Health app, rolling out from June 8th. Samsung built the update for the upcoming Galaxy Watch, though it stopped short of naming the device. Han Pak, who leads Samsung's digital health team, said the update connects your health data to AI-driven insights to help you better understand your body. The app now centers on 5 areas: sleep, activity, nutrition, mindfulness, and vitals. New features include Vitals checks 5 overnight signals: heart rate variability, breathing rate, skin temperature, and blood oxygen against your baseline and alerts you only when something looks off. Heart health score, a single daily number that replaces last year's vascular load and blends your sleep, stress, activity, and body composition data. Daily cardio load, which tracks how much strain your body has taken on and suggests when to train and when to rest. Fitness index, which compares your heart rate and VO2 max against your peers and factors in your daily steps. Hearing health, which uses your watch's microphone to flag loud places that could damage your hearing. Antioxidant index and ages index upgrades, both of which now track trends over time instead of single readings. This update applies to the whole Galaxy Watch lineup, not just the Ultra 2. Current watch owners get the redesigned app now, but the full feature set is tied to new hardware coming later this year. A new chip has been confirmed for the next Galaxy Watch. At MWC 2026 in March, Qualcomm confirmed that the next Galaxy Watch will use its new Snapdragon Wear Elite chip. Samsung backed this up with an on-record quote from In-Kong Song, who leads technology strategy for Samsung's mobile business. He said the new chip will help the watch become an even more complete wellness companion. Here is what the Snapdragon Wear Elite brings. A 3nm chip with 1 fast core at 2.1 GHz and 4 efficiency cores at 1.95 GHz. Up to 5 times the CPU power and 7 times the GPU power of the previous Snapdragon wearable chip. Enough to render 1080p video at 60 frames per second. A dedicated AI chip that can run models with up to 2 billion parameters right on your wrist, working through about 10 tokens every second, with no phone or cloud needed. 30% more battery life than the last generation, plus a 50% charge in around 10 minutes. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 6.0, UWB, GPS, 5G, and satellite messaging support, all in one chip. Qualcomm named Samsung and Google as launch partners for the chip, along with Motorola. There's a catch, though. Samsung and Qualcomm only said the next generation Galaxy Watch, not which model gets it. This has led to conflicting reports. Some outlets say both the Watch 9 and Watch Ultra 2 get the Snapdragon Wear Elite chip. Other sources claim only the Watch Ultra 2 gets it, while the standard Watch 9 keeps the older Exynos W1000. A separate leak goes further, claiming a regional split. The US version of the Watch Ultra 2 uses a Snapdragon chip with 5G, while the European version keeps the Exynos chip with LTE. Even the model numbers do not fully agree. An earlier leak pointed to SM L716 as the US 5G model, but a more recent FCC filing lists the US carrier model as SM L715U instead. Samsung has not confirmed any of these versions, so treat the chip question as open until Samsung says otherwise. The unpacked date. Korea media reports point to July 22nd, 2026 in London as the date for Samsung's next Unpacked event, where the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is expected to share the stage with the Galaxy Watch 9, the Z Fold 8, Z Flip 8, Z Fold 8, wide, and Samsung's new Galaxy glasses. Samsung has not confirmed this date. Regulatory filings. In the middle of June 2026, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 cleared both FCC and CMIT certification under the model number SM L715, with SM L715F for global markets and SM L715U for U.S. carriers. Neither filing included a Watch 9 Classic model number, which is a strong sign Samsung is skipping a classic model this year. A separate charging certification from China's 3C agency confirmed the Watch Ultra 2 sticks with 10W wired charging, the same speed as before. India's BIS database and additional CMIT listings also confirmed the device exists, though none of these filings listed a battery capacity. When will the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 release? Last year's launch gives the clearest clue here. Samsung announced the Galaxy Watch Ultra on July 9th, 2025, and put it on sale on July 25th, a gap of 16 days. If Samsung follows that same pattern this year, expect the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 to go on sale in early August 2026. The leaked Unpacked date of July 22nd, 2026 would only mark the announcement, not the on-sale date, and Samsung has not confirmed even that date yet. How much will the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 cost? Pricing is the one area where leaks have gone quiet. The price of the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 has not leaked yet. Until Samsung says otherwise, your best guide is the current Galaxy Watch Ultra's price, $649.99 in the US, £599 in the UK, and €699 across the Eurozone, all for the single 47mm LTE model. Analysts disagree on what comes next. Phone Arena expects a similar price to the current model, around $649.99, though it does not rule out a price increase. Tom's Guide expects prices to hold steady this year. TechAdvisor argues that a price increase is likely, citing the extent to which Samsung raised prices across the Galaxy S26 line. Sam Mobile notes that the Galaxy S26 Ultra kept its base price unchanged but raised the prices of higher storage tiers, a pattern Samsung could repeat with the Watch Ultra 2. A cheaper, Bluetooth-only version of the Watch Ultra 2, expected for Europe, could give Samsung a lower entry price than before. Even so, some analysts warn that rising component costs could push that version close to what a cellular Ultra model used to cost. What are the expected specs of the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2? Leaks have given us a fairly clear picture of the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, even though nothing here is official yet. Processor. Most leaks point to the new Snapdragon Wear Elite chip, at least for the US and South Korea. A separate leak claims the European version keeps the older Exynos W1000 chip instead. Samsung has not confirmed either version. Battery. Leaks point to a 784 mAh battery, which Samsung may market as around 800 mAh. That would be a jump of roughly 33 to 35% over the current Watch Ultra's 590 mAh cell. Some reports use this number to estimate over 3-day use on a single charge, though that figure is an estimate, not a measure result. Some regulatory filings have not confirmed this battery jump, so treat the number as a credible leak rather than a fact. Display. Expect a 1.5-inch AMOLED screen at 480 by 480 resolution with sapphire crystal on top, the same as the current model. A rumored brightness boost to around 4,000 nits has circulated, but that number traces back to a Samsung display prototype shown at CES 2025, not a confirmed spec for this watch. Phone Arena expects the same 3,000 nits as the current Ultra, so treat 4,000 nits as speculation for now. Build. A 47mm titanium case rated to 10 ATM water resistance and IP68, with the same customizable side button as the current Ultra. Sapphire crystal protection is expected to carry over too. Storage. 64 GB of storage is expected, matching the current Watch Ultra, alongside 2 GB of RAM. Connectivity. This is where the Watch Ultra 2 could see its biggest change. Leaks point to the watch becoming Samsung's first smartwatch with 5G, available in the US and South Korea, while Europe gets an LTE version and a Bluetooth-only version, which would be a first for the Ultra line. The chip also supports satellite messaging for emergencies, though no leaks or filings have confirmed that the watch itself will use that feature. Software. One UI 9 watch on Wear OS 7. based on Android 17. Google says Wear OS 7 delivers up to 10% better battery life than the previous version, based on its own testing with active users between August 2025 and April 2026. The update adds live updates, a now bar, redesigned widgets, and Gemini-powered features. Glucose monitoring. This is heavily rumored for the Ultra tier, but not confirmed. Current Galaxy watches do not track blood glucose, and the FDA has stated that no smartwatch or smart ring has been authorized to measure or estimate blood glucose on its own. Samsung's Unpacked has confirmed the company is working on a non-invasive glucose sensor, but has given no launch date and earlier suggested it could take years to arrive. Do not expect this feature on the Watch Ultra 2 this year. A few other details remain open. Color options for the Watch Ultra 2 have not leaked yet. The proprietary band system on the current Ultra has not been confirmed to change either. Some fans want a rotating bezel, but that seems unlikely as it could compromise the watch's durability. Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 versus Galaxy Watch Ultra. How do they compare? The table below aligns what we know for certain about the current Galaxy Watch Ultra with what is expected for the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Treat every column marked expected as a leak, not a confirmed spec.